Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to make your songs as public on Suno app. You will go to Suno. In this page, you will go here to this window of library and you will click. In this page, you will find this sign as you see on any song you want. Here we go to make public, and then you will know how to make it public on the application of Suno. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.